Woo, bro. Boy, what was you looking at, boy? What's good, y'all? What's good? Yes, sir. We back. Oh, man, we back. It feels good to be back. It feels good to be back. We back. What's good with y'all? What's good? Feels good to be back on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start posting on Instagram again today. So what happened? What update? You know what I'm saying? What happened? I had to take a month off. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I had to take a month off. I ain't know when you get into the social media stuff, it gets this crazy. You know, it gets this crazy. It's stressful. I ain't gonna lie. It just feels like another job, like literally, seriously, another job. And I didn't think it would for a second, but that's only because I was like, not really YouTube. It's really Instagram. It wasn't really YouTube at all. But I was like, shoot, skip it. I'm gonna just take a break off of both for a little bit. So that's what happened. I took a break. And I also got my my strategy more together on what I really need to do. And I have also decided that I am going to, with ICT strategy or ICT concept pretty much, and how I view the market with ICT concepts, or what I think I take from his concepts. And a little bit of price action too. I mean, not price action. I guess standard retail, because I've always used those concepts too. Kinda. I've been already using those. So like psychological level. Sometimes I'll bullish engulfing. Sometimes I think about that stuff still. But yeah, I mashed those two together to make my strategy, of course. And I'm also going to apply that to swing trading. That's what I've been doing. Swing trading again. I don't know what it is, man. Shoot, I had to take another crack. You ever get that feeling that you feel like this is good. This is real good. This is good. Like day trading, it made me feel good. You got it down, but it feels like you missing something. It just feels like this is good, but this is not what you're supposed to be doing. That's what it felt like, you know. So I don't know, man. Shoot. So I had to switch it up. So I had to take that month off. I took that month off to really get myself honed in on how I'm about to bring this to YouTube or whatever. And, it's all part of the journey. It's all a part of the journey. It is what it is. You know, people don't want to probably show this part or be honest with people, but, that's what it is. That's what I felt in my heart. Like, bruh, this is, I know I keep denying it. I've been denying swing trading for a long time because I want that quick money. I was like, shoot, I want to make money every day. So, that's the only why I denied it. Even though I took plenty of tests online, I took, all types of stuff, and, it kept saying my personality is a swing trading personality. I'll be a great swing trader, but I just kept denying it. I was like, I know it says that, but how do they know that? They don't really know who I am. So I kept pushing day trader. So, and that's why I've been stuck in that loop for a long time. But I mean, I did well as a day trader. It's just I noticed that there were some things with greed, and there were some things, while day trading that I never experienced when I'm swing trading. And that's why when I switched over in this last month, it just went away. It just went away. I would say the biggest thing is that it takes a lot more time for it to hit my stop loss. So I can't just be jumping in, jumping out, jumping in, jumping out, jumping in, jumping out. So it just, it eradicates that problem entirely. It just gets rid of that problem totally, and it's just a lot. I feel a lot more calm. I get a lot more stuff done during the day because I swing trade, and because of ICT, how he does it. How he looks at the market. Man, that power of 3, man, shoot, that power of 3 combined with the psychological levels that I learned from Astro FX and Swaggy, like, bro, like, in my own things that I kind of just figured out, like, just what I like to do. Oh, killer. I've been pretty good right now. So right now I'm just demoing right now. That's why I haven't really posted any of the thing, because obviously I just don't want to jump on something new and then just start posting profits and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't, or even get into a live account like that. So I've been just demoing for right now, getting it done. I'll probably show like my next video will probably be my strategy video. Show you what I'm doing now, and it allows me to just have the whole day. I only trade really. I will look at the market at 8 a.m. and in the morning time and 12 if it's US 30 or gold. Other than that, I just started also adding like forex pairs, all the yen pairs except for NZD, JPY, and I got GP AUD and Euro AUD. And I trade all those. Sometimes even gold and US 30 if I can, if it looks good. I'll trade all of those at the night before because of the power of 3. I'll trade them between 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern. So, or more than likely after the 4-hour close, at the daily and 4-hour close. So it's fire. It's fire. I like it. We'll see how it goes. We're still testing things. But it's going so far so good. So far so good, and it's way less stressful for me. So I think it's fitting like a glove right now. But yeah, that's where I've been at. Been testing that out. Been getting off social media. You got to live your life, bro. I love how Doyle always say, Doyle Exchange. He always say I'm a real person. That's dead serious. I am a real person, bro. Like I cannot be acting like I'm not trying to have social media consume my life, and it can and does to a lot of people. This is not my life like that. Like I'm just trying to get on here, share my journey. It's really for documentation of my legacy, but hopefully it can help somebody out. And then if down the line I want to teach or whatever, boot camps and one-on-ones, then I'll do that. Everybody view the market differently, and somebody can probably learn from that. But, it is what it is. You can always find your stuff through ICT or anybody else. But, if I ever do decide to do, because mine's a little bit, it's the same same, like, obviously foundation, but I look at it a little bit different than ICT would, or even, Swagger or anybody else would. So, everybody does. That's why it's your strategy. But anyways, I'm on my way to the gym. It's like 5:50 in the morning, 5:55. Hitting this gym early. But that's all. I just wanted to get a little update video, get back up on here. We back. Get these videos rolling. And I want to help. I definitely want to start getting some more, helpful videos out there. Helpful videos. Do something to help out. I know there's a lot of people that are already on YouTube doing a lot of help videos, but hey, when I was doing my journey, I'm still doing my journey now, but I always like watching people, even if it is like the same, if two people got a video on psychology, I will watch both of them just because it's different perspectives. So, but yeah, that's it. Update. I just wanted to update y'all, see what's going on. Other than that, still grinding, still doing my thing, and making out the job. Trying to get out the job, do my own thing. But yeah, that's it. So new videos coming soon. I'm gonna try to get a schedule out. Try to get a schedule for this. Maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday for videos. I'm sorry, with Instagram posts, and maybe on every week on Wednesday and Friday maybe for YouTube. But we'll see. I'll update you guys as I go. But all right, y'all. I'm at the gym. I'll see y'all later.